Did you know that seasoned flight attendants pack for week-long trips using nothing but an underseater bag, and they never pay baggage fees? What if I told you the secret isn't what you pack, but how you think about packing? And airlines would rather you keep paying those extra charges. Welcome back to Journey Tips, your trusted source for smarter air travel. I'm here because a subscriber recently shared how she saved over $300 on a family trip by mastering underseater packing, and her story inspired today's video. I'm revealing 10 underseater packing secrets that transformed how I travel, including the one mistake that cost me my laptop space. Stay tuned for secret number 7. It's the game changer that lets you pack multiple outfits without the bulk. Let's dive right in. Secret number 1. The liquid limits revelation. Here's the thing most travelers get wrong about liquids. We've all been there, standing at security with an overstuffed toiletry bag that barely fits in our backpack. But smart travelers know this secret that flight attendants have been using for decades. Use a slim, shallow liquids bag instead of those bulky cube organizers. I'm talking about something that slides flat against your bag's wall rather than eating up precious interior space. Picture this. Instead of a thick, padded toiletry case that's 4 inches deep, choose something that's maybe 1 inch thick, but wider. During my recent 3-day Colorado trip, this simple switch freed up enough room for an extra day's worth of clothes. The magic happens when you eliminate separate pouches for makeup and toiletries entirely. Instead, use your bag's built-in pockets as natural organizers. Those mesh pockets and zippered compartments, they're basically free pouches that don't add any bulk to your packing. Secret number 2. Your bag's hidden superpowers. Every quality underseater has what I call secret real estate. Those compression clips, external pockets, and hidden compartments that most folks never use properly. Look for compression straps on the sides. When you're done packing, these little lifesavers can squeeze your bag down by up to 20%. That water bottle pocket, it's not just for bottles. I've fit rolled shirts, umbrellas, even a lightweight jacket in there. The key is thinking cylindrically. Look for loops or attachment points where you could clip a small crossbody bag using a carabiner. Some bags come with removable pouches that you can detach during the flight and wear as a small purse. Here's something that'll blow your mind. Many bags have secret pockets. I actually left my computer at home on my Colorado trip because I thought there wasn't room. Turns out, this slim laptop compartment was so well hidden against the back panel that I completely missed it for months. Truth bomb. Always explore every zipper, every potential pocket before you start packing. Now, speaking of technology and the mistakes we make with electronics. Secret number 3. The minimal tech strategy. Here's my challenge to you. Pack only the technology you absolutely need for that specific trip. Most of our tech anxiety comes from what-if scenarios that rarely happen. First, wait until you reach your hotel room to charge devices using wall outlets instead of carrying a bulky power bank. Most flights these days have USB ports at your seat. Pack AirPods instead of over-ear headphones. The size difference is dramatic. Choose your smallest charging cables. Here's a game changer that one subscriber shared. She used to pack her tablet, e-reader, and phone for every trip. Now she just brings her phone and downloads everything she needs before traveling. She saved enough space for an entire outfit just by consolidating to one device. Secret number 4. The black bag optical illusion. Okay, this next one might shock you, but color psychology works on gate agents too. Black bags simply look smaller than bright-colored ones. It's a visual trick that can save you from those awkward, does this fit conversations at the gate. Dark colors naturally recede visually, while bright colors advance and appear larger. If your bag is hovering around the size limits, that black exterior helps minimize how large it appears to airline staff. I've watched this play out dozens of times at gates. Passengers with bright red or neon bags seem to get more scrutiny from gate agents, while those with black or navy bags slide through without a second glance. Secret number 5. The outfit multiplication formula. Now here's where it gets really interesting. The secret to multiple outfits isn't packing more clothes, it's packing smarter clothes. I discovered this game-changing strategy during that Colorado snowstorm trip. Mix and match everything with just 2 base colors. I went completely monochromatic with black pieces, then added 1 pair of jeans that worked with every top. Real talk. You can create 5 different looks from just 3 pieces if you choose wisely. Here's the exact formula I use. Pick one neutral base color. Black, navy, or gray work best. Then choose one accent color that pairs with everything in your base palette. Every single top I packed worked with both the black pieces and the jeans. For winter travel, lightweight cashmere beats bulky sweaters every time. A thin cashmere sweater takes up half the space of a regular wool sweater, but provides better warmth. Merino wool works year-round and dries quickly. One flight attendant travels for 10 days with just 4 merino wool tops because they're all interchangeable. Secret number 6. The fleece-lined legging revolution. I packed fleece-lined wide-leg leggings that looked like dress pants. These aren't your fuzzy, bulky leggings. We're talking about sophisticated trousers with just a hint of fleece lining for warmth. They have faux zippers, real front pockets, and they're flattering on every body type. Let me paint the picture for you. These leggings fold down to practically nothing, the size of a paperback book. But when you put them on, they look like professional trousers. The fleece lining isn't thick or bulky. It's just a whisper-thin layer that feels incredible against your skin in cold weather. The beauty is versatility. One pair of bottoms that serves multiple purposes saves massive space for other essentials. Instead of packing dress pants, casual pants, and comfortable travel pants, you pack one pair that does all 3 jobs perfectly. Secret number 7. The compression cube controversy. Speaking of space saving, here's something even better than regular packing methods. My YouTube community convinced me to try compression cubes 5 years ago, and they changed everything. These aren't vacuum-sealed bags. They use dual zippers where the second zipper compresses air between your clothes. I fold outfits flat, lay them in the cube, zip the first zipper, then comes the magic. The second zipper compresses all the air out from between the fabric layers. The result? You suddenly have 30 to 40% more space above your clothes for additional items. I can fit what used to require 2 packing cubes into one compressed cube. But here's the thing they don't want you to know. Airlines restrict weight, not just size. You can compress so efficiently that you end up exceeding weight limits for personal items. Now, let's talk about something that causes more packing stress than anything else. Secret number 8. The one-shoe rule. Pack exactly 1 pair of shoes, the ones you're wearing. That's it. I survived 3 days in Colorado after a massive snowstorm wearing only my waterproof hiking shoes. They were comfortable enough for all-day walking, waterproof for the weather, and dressy enough for restaurants in mountain towns. Here's my thought process when selecting those shoes. First, weather appropriateness. Waterproofing was non-negotiable for November in Colorado. Second, comfort for extended walking. Third, versatility for different settings, from outdoor activities to nice restaurants. For summer travel, I pack flat sandals with excellent arch support. The key is finding sandals that look appropriate for both walking tours and dinner restaurants. The revelation that changed my shoe packing forever came from watching flight attendants. They travel with just the shoes they're wearing. Secret number 9. The strategic wardrobe planning. The real secret is eliminating unnecessary bulk before you even start packing. This is where most travelers go wrong. They pack first, then try to fit everything into their bag. Smart travelers edit first, then pack. No hoods on tops, they add bulk without adding warmth. Instead of packing a light jacket and a heavy jacket, choose one mid-weight layer that you can wear over different base layers. If you're traveling to a cold climate, wear your heaviest layers onto the plane. I've seen smart travelers stuff extra layers in a grocery store bag and stow it overhead after the suitcases go up. But check your airline's policies first. The head-to-toe checklist works every time. Starting with hair accessories down to shoes, ask yourself, does this serve multiple purposes? Can I eliminate this by using something I've already packed? Fellow travelers who master this editing mindset never worry about baggage fees. Now here's where everything comes together in the final packing process. Secret number 10. The final packing protocol. Here's where everything comes together in what I call the genius approach to underseater packing. When you think you're done packing, that's when the real work begins. This final protocol separates successful underseater packers from those who end up paying baggage fees. Run through this checklist one more time. Are your items versatile with other pieces? Can you eliminate anything by using something you've already packed? Consider packing direction. Should items go lengthwise versus widthwise? Which orientation keeps items flattest? Compare folding versus rolling for your specific items. Folding works better for structured items like dress shirts, while rolling XLs for t-shirts and casual clothes. Use your bag's built-in pouches instead of packing separate organizers. Here's a technique I learned from airline crew, the Tetris method. After placing your main items, look for small gaps. Socks can fill gaps around shoes, chargers can nestle next to toiletries, and rolled underwear can fill awkward corners. The real magic happens when you approach packing like a puzzle, not a storage problem. So there you have it. 10 underseater packing secrets that can transform your travel experience and save you hundreds in baggage fees. Have you discovered any clever packing hacks of your own? Drop your experiences in the comments below. Our community loves learning from each other's travel wisdom. If this video opened your eyes to what you've been missing, smash that like button to help other travelers find these secrets. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insider travel wisdom every week. Share this with anyone who deserves to travel smart without paying airline upcharges. Thanks so much for watching. Safe travels, and I'll see you on the next Journey Tips.